There's a 2-inch line coming into the 4-inch for the feed. And then 3-inch discharge line coming out for the backflush. Each of the valves here are hooked up in sequential. 1 being down there, 2 in the middle, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hooked up to the front here on each of them. Coming off the back side, we've got this line, which is hooked up here. The lower one here on the T comes back to the digital controller here and is this line with the red. The one with the black collar goes all the way back. And then that other one on the left hand side back there comes back up and is tied right here. Based on the information for the vessels, these are 16-inch vessels. It should have been 198 pounds of sand. I do believe that we only have 3 bags in each vessel because it said fill to media level, but that's not 200 pounds. 3 bags has taken us to about 4 inches above that line. So we stopped at that 150 pound mark, knowing that 200 pounds was going to put us way above that line.